Welcome to Startup Sparks. Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of Daniel Ek, the founder of Spotify, and how he revolutionized the music industry with a simple yet powerful idea. Let's take a look at how Spotify went from a startup in Sweden to one of the world's leading music streaming platforms. The early life of Daniel Ek. Daniel Ek was born in Stockholm, Sweden in 1983. From a young age, he was fascinated with technology. By the time he was a teenager, he was already learning how to code and building websites. After studying engineering at the Royal Institute of Technology, Ek went on to work for several tech companies, including one where he helped build online advertising platforms. The birth of Spotify, a vision for legal music streaming. In 2006, Ek teamed up with Martin Lorentzen to co-found Spotify. The music industry was struggling with piracy and illegal downloads, and Ek saw an opportunity to create a legal and convenient alternative. His vision? A music streaming service that would give users access to a massive library of songs for free, while compensating artists fairly. The launch of Spotify and overcoming challenges. In 2008, Spotify launched, and the world took notice. But launching a legal music streaming service wasn't easy. Ek and Lorentzen had to negotiate with record labels to secure the rights to stream music legally. In the beginning, Spotify was available only in a few countries, but it quickly grew in popularity as users embraced the convenience of streaming music legally without having to buy individual songs or albums. Spotify's growth and global expansion. Spotify's growth was explosive. In just a few years, it expanded from Sweden to the rest of Europe, and then to the United States and beyond. The model was simple. Users could listen to music for free with ads or subscribe for an ad-free experience. By offering both free and paid options, Spotify was able to reach millions of users and attract artists who wanted to share their music on a global scale. Revolutionizing the music industry, the power of playlists and personalization. One of Spotify's game-changing innovations was its algorithm-driven playlists. Spotify used data to create personalized playlists for users, like Discover Weekly and Release Radar, which made it easier to find new music. And the Spotify Wrapped feature, which gives users a year in review of their listening habits, became a cultural phenomenon. Spotify's impact on artists and the music industry. Spotify didn't just change how users listened to music, it also transformed how artists distributed their music. With millions of monthly active users, Spotify gave emerging artists the opportunity to reach a global audience, while established artists could grow their fan base even further. Despite criticism over its royalty payouts, Spotify has created a new model for how artists make money through streams. Spotify's innovations and future plans. Today, Spotify continues to innovate. It has expanded into podcasts, acquiring companies like Anchor and Parcast to diversify its content offerings. Spotify is now not just a music platform, it's a complete audio ecosystem. Daniel Ek's vision for the future of Spotify includes further investments in AI, creating more personalized experiences for users, and expanding into new markets. In fact, Spotify is making bold moves to become the global leader in audio entertainment, with podcasts, live radio, and even audiobooks in the pipeline. Challenges along the way. Spotify's struggles. Of course, it hasn't been smooth sailing for Spotify. The company has faced numerous challenges, from tough licensing negotiations with record labels to stiff competition from other platforms like Apple Music and Amazon Music. Despite these struggles, Spotify remains the dominant force in the music streaming market, thanks to its loyal user base and constant innovation. Daniel Ek's vision for the future. Daniel Ek's vision extends beyond just streaming music. He has always been committed to the idea of democratizing access to music and entertainment. In the future, Ek believes that Spotify will become the go-to platform for all forms of audio, including podcasts, live events, and even potentially video content. His ultimate goal? To build the Spotify of everything. Conclusion. The legacy of Daniel Ek and Spotify. Daniel Ek's journey from a small startup in Sweden to leading one of the world's most influential tech companies is a testament to the power of innovation. Spotify has changed the way we listen to music, discover new artists, and consume content. And with Daniel Ek at the helm, Spotify's future looks incredibly bright. What's your favorite Spotify feature? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this story, Make sure to subscribe to Startup Sparks for more inspiring stories from the world of entrepreneurship and innovation. See you next time.